Is it the right time to buy or sell MicroCloud Hologram stock? Today, we're delving deeper into MicroCloud Hologram, building on our initial report published on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024. Get ready for a more detailed analysis. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. On February 9, 2024, our system identified MicroCloud Hologram as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.05. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently moving within a wide and horizontal trend, indicating that it is likely to continue in this pattern. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 0.496% change expected over the next 3 months. This means there is a possibility of a return between -92.84% and 35.42%. Analyzing the 12-month trend, it suggests a -18.29% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between -100% and 273.03%. In other words, the stock price could range from $0 to $79.46 after a year. Our latest update for MicroCloud Hologram includes the headline, Volatile Ride for MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated stock price on Friday, moving between $18.76 and $24.05. On Friday, February 9, 2024, the MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated stock price fell by 25.78% from $28.70 to $21.30. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a 28.2% fluctuation, hitting a low of $18.76 and a high of $24.05. Although the price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, it is still up by an impressive 995.12% over the past 2 weeks. The decrease in volume along with the stock is actually a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume saw a decrease of 17 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $106.00 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $113, while the lowest price was $1.50. Currently, the price is 81.15% below the 52-week high, amounting to $91.70, and 93.91% below the all-time high on September 19, 2022, when the price reached $350. Analysts have recently evaluated MicroCloud Hologram stock and have given it a general rating of sell. They specifically rate the PE ratio of the stock as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of sell. Today, I want to talk about the signals that have been identified for MicroCloud Hologram. The stock of MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated is showing positive signs based on both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a promising future for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is expected support at $10.71 and $4.41. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it may issue sell signals. Moving on, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal, further supporting the positive outlook. However, it's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the short-term development of the stock. Specifically, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 8, 2024, resulting in a notable -25.78% fall. It is expected that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot point is found. Lastly, it is worth mentioning that the volume of trading has decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, I'll be sharing some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently giving a buy signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal that occurred 164 days ago. The short-term moving average also generated a buy signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is giving a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. Analyzing the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 90 days ago. Remember, if you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for MicroCloud Hologram. When it comes to support levels, the stock has a solid one just below today's level at $18. This means that there is a significant amount of accumulated volume at this price, which can act as a support for the stock. However, it's important to note that if the stock drops below this support level, there is a risk of a significant drop in the stock price. Moving on to risk, it's important to highlight that this stock is considered to be very high risk. One of the factors contributing to this is the stock's volatility, which means it can experience large price movements during the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, suggests a wide prediction interval for this stock. To give you an idea of the stock's recent volatility, let's look at its performance. In just one day, the stock had a price range of $5.29, or 28.2% difference between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 132.7%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face temporary downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 12, 2024. Let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above, indicating the stock could experience a swift upward movement under favorable conditions. This presents an opportunity for you to enter a position and use volume as an indicator for when to exit. On the downside, MicroCloud Hologram encounters its first support level at $18. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for MicroCloud Hologram is sell. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 24, 2023, Wang Maggie made an insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares, with a par value of $0.0001. On February 24, 2023, Wang Maggie made another insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares, with a par value of $0.0001. On February 24, 2023, By Belief conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares, with a par value of $0.0001. On February 24, 2023, By Belief conducted another insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares, with a par value of $0.0001. Based on the 4 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. In total, insiders have purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 4 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $20.14, which represents a decrease of 5.46%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, resulting in a high level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 77, further amplifying the risk. Additionally, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is MicroCloud Hologram stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that MicroCloud Hologram Inc. stock may present a buying opportunity in the short term. Our previous evaluation of hold/accumulate has been upgraded to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the stock, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, February 12, we anticipate MicroCloud Hologram to open up by $0.0700 and start trading at $21.37. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us is a valuable resource, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a specific stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Let's engage in a fruitful discussion. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Now, let's dive into our analysis and see what the future holds for this stock. As always, we appreciate your support and wish you a fantastic day. Stay tuned for more updates from all of us at Stock Invest.